And more breaking news coming in, ladies and gentlemen, from Hyderabad to Guwahati, and now this investigation has spread to Ahmedabad, where the cybercrime unit has arrested two accused. Now, Satish Vansola and R.B. Baria have been arrested by the cybercrime unit of the Ahmedabad police. Satish Vansola is the PA of Congress MLA Jignesh Mehwani. Now, the cybercrime unit has also started investigating who edited the video. The arrested person has been linked to the Aam Aadmi Party as well. So it's not just the Congress Party, even the Aam Aadmi Party, it seems it is prima facie guilty of spreading this fake video of Home Minister Amit Shah. To get more details, I'm joined by my colleague Anshul Singh on the broadcast. Anshul, over to you. The ambit of this investigation now spreading to other parts of the country.
Well, definitely, as we were speaking yesterday itself, that this entire investigation could happen in various parts of the country, and that is the reason why now Ahmedabad police has also jumped into action, because a person has two people have been taken into custody by the cybercrime police of the Ahmedabad police. They say that these people also allegedly had involvement in putting those videos on social media and making sure that this video goes viral. Now, not only the Ahmedabad police, but along with the Ahmedabad police cases, separate cases have been registered in Assam, Rajasthan, and as well as in Maharashtra. In Maharashtra as well, notices have been served to Congress leaders and Congress party members because they had also posted this video on social media. So definitely a large ecosystem is coming to the fore as the investigation is underway. On the other hand, the Delhi Police Special Cell is also conducting an investigation, separate investigation in this entire matter, where they have gone ahead and served notices to several members of the Congress party and some members of the Samajwadi Party as well, who had gone ahead and posted this fake video on social media with the intention to make sure that this post goes viral and eventually they could reap off some benefits in the elections that are going on in the country. So yes, it remains to be seen as to tomorrow is the day when Revanth Reddy, along with other leaders of the Congress party and Samajwadi Party, have been called in to the national capital to come in and join into the investigation. It remains to be seen if at all these leaders will come in and join into the investigation. If that does not happen, then we can expect some stringent action that could be taken from the side of the Delhi police, because the investigating this case and making sure that the kingpin or the mastermind of this entire conspiracy is brought to the books at the earliest, and that is the target, or specifically of the Delhi police and the police forces of different states as well.
Absolutely. The war of words continues to escalate, with the BJP taking a direct shot at not just the Congress party, but now even the Aam Aadmi Party as well as the Samajwadi Party for sharing this deep fake video of Home Minister Amit Shah, where he can be seen promising to remove reservation for SCs, STs and OBCs. Let's listen into more reactions coming in.
देखिए, चुनाव से पहले से आशंकाएं लगाई जा रही थी कि जब विपक्ष इस चुनाव में अपनी हार देखेगा तो कभी झूठ तो कभी टेक्नोलॉजी के माध्यम से भय और भ्रम फैलाने का काम किया जाएगा। जब विपक्ष के बड़े नेताओं ने झूठ बोलकर प्रचार किया, भय और भ्रम फैलाने का प्रयास किया, उसके बावजूद भी उनको अपनी हार दिखती नजर आई, तो अब डीप फेक के प्रयोग पर उतर आए। आखिर कौन है ये लोग, कितने बड़े नेता हैं, किन किन राजनीतिक दलों से हैं? ये बड़ा प्रश्न खड़ा हो रहा है कि आखिरकार टेक्नोलॉजी का दुरुपयोग करके जनता को क्यों गुमराह कर रहे, क्यों भ्रम फैला रहे और वोट के लिए कितना नीचे और गिरेंगे।
मोदी जी आज तक अमित शाह जी ईडी, इनकम टैक्स, सीबीआई को इस्तेमाल कर रहे थे चुनाव जीतने के लिए। अभी मेरे समाचार मिला है तेलंगाना कांग्रेस पार्टी ऑफिस में दिल्ली पुलिस पहुंचा हुआ है। सोशल मीडिया में कोई पोस्टिंग लगाया, इसीलिए तेलंगाना के कांग्रेस अध्यक्ष को, तेलंगाना मुख्यमंत्री को हम अरेस्ट करते बोल के नोटिस लेकर तेलंगाना गांधी भवन में पहुंच गए। इसका मतलब नरेंद्र मोदी जी ईडी, इनकम टैक्स, सीबीआई हो गए, अभी दिल्ली पुलिस को इस्तेमाल कर रहे चुनाव जीतने के लिए। यहाँ पर कोई डरने वाले नहीं है भाई, यहाँ पर पलट के जवाब देने वाले हैं।
एक होम मिनिस्टर का वीडियो को मार्फिंग करके ऑफिशियल हैंडल से पोस्ट करना, ये मेरा डिमांड हुई है। हम इस विषय पर हम कोर्ट को भी जाने वाला है। कोर्ट में भी खड़गरा में मुख्यमंत्री को, उनका पार्टी को खड़ा करेंगे, क्योंकि वो पार्टी का अध्यक्ष भी है, वो पार्टी का तरफ से मुख्यमंत्री भी है, जिम्मेदारी उनका ही होता है।
अभी तो हम सुना है मगर उसका बारे में पूरा डिटेल्स नहीं मालूम है। ये आजकल जो है ना ये फेक, ये सोशल मीडिया के ऊपर ही लोग जो है डिपेंड करते हैं इस तरह से फेक ये करके। जो भी फेक वीडियोस वगैरह है उसके ऊपर सीरियसली जो है ना एक्शन होना चाहिए।